Okay guys, I get a lot of questions about how to tell the difference between a hen and a buck. And these are a couple of steelhead. And if you notice, this is the hen. See the eggs right here. I just opened them up, and this is the buck. If you look at the distance between the eye, on the eye to the nose, to the tip of the nose, you see how it's much longer here? It's hard when they're not side by side, but you'll start to realize that that's a little short snout nose is going to be a hen, and the longer one is going to be the buck. Okay, if you notice with the hen, the lower jaw doesn't protrude past the snout or the nose very far. In the lower picture, with the male or the buck, the lower jaw goes past and protrudes past the snout or the nose quite a bit more than a hen. But if you don't have them to look at each other side by side, it's much easier to move on to the maxilla bone. The maxilla bone. This is the bone that protrudes on the outside of the face of the fish. On the female, the maxilla bone does not go past the top of the lower jaw. In the lower picture, you can see that the maxilla bone protrudes past the top of the lower jaw quite a bit on a male. This is much quicker to identify when you're fighting a fish on the edge of the river to determine if you're going to pull it out of the water, net it, or release it safely back into the water. This way you don't injure the fish or damage it, trying to identify if it's a female or a male to keep those eggs. So that's how you can tell the difference between a buck and a hen on a couple of steelhead. And there you go. We're about to fillet these bad boys. Even after being on ice for a day and a half till I could get home, they still look beautiful. This is not fresh paint, it's old table. Alright guys, see you soon. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to identify the difference between a coho, a pink, and a king salmon by using the tail instead of the inside of the gum line. Okay guys, don't forget I've redone all of my playlist sections like a library. So if you want to target a specific thing you want to learn, like habitat of the fish, or curing eggs, drift fishing only, bobber setups only, we have it all set up for you now in a library type of setting where you can target whatever you need to learn how to catch more fish. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you on the next one, and make sure you push, grind, and you will catch more fish.